The grandfather paradox is a hypothetical scenario often discussed in the context of time travel. It raises a question of what would happen if someone were to travel back in time and kill their own grandfather before their own parent was born. The paradox arises because if someone were to do this, then their own existence in the present would be impossible because they would never have been born. This creates a contradiction in the timeline, as the person could not have traveled back in time to kill their grandfather if they were never born in the first place. Here is an example to illustrate the paradox. Suppose that someone named John travels back in time to the year 1950 with the intention of killing his grandfather, who is still a young man at that time. If John were to succeed in killing his grandfather, then his own father would never have been born. This would mean that John himself would never have been born, which creates a paradox because if he was never born, he could not have traveled back in time to kill his grandfather in the first place. The paradox raises questions about the consistency and stability of time travel, and whether it is possible to change the past without creating contradictions in the timeline. It is often used as a thought experiment to explore the implications of time travel and the nature of causality.